Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I have exciting news. The channel just hit over 500 subscribers. So I wanted to take a quick second and thank every single one of you guys for coming here on a regular basis. Now when I first started living abroad, it wasn't to be on YouTube or anything. It was just for myself, so I have some sort of recollection when I'm older of the things that I did in my life, the places I went to. I'm not really big into selfies or taking pictures, so this was a way for me to document my life. But I'm surprised to see so many of you guys are coming here on a regular basis, and I wanted to thank you guys by giving you a shout out and also by opening that secret cupboard that's in my apartment. Now if you saw the apartment tour of this place, you might remember that we came across a cupboard that was locked and we had some guesses of what's inside of it. Anything from someone living in there or to like millions of dollars being hidden away. So today we're gonna go ahead and see if we can pick that lock and see what's inside. Follow me and I'll show you guys. Here we go. All right, so the cupboard is just right there. Any last guesses? Let me know, what do you think? Leave your comments down below and see if you're right. I've never opened this, so hopefully we can get inside and take a quick look. Now, before we try to open this lock, I kind of had some feelings and some conflictions over whether I should open it or not, whether it's ethical or moral, but I mean, I am living here for a month or so and I don't know what's inside there, whether there's chemicals or there's some drugs or some stranger living in there and coming to watch me when I sleep at night. So yeah, let's not think about that too much. And I really hope the owner doesn't see this video somehow randomly on YouTube. But with all that being aside, let's see if I can open this or pick this lock. I have some home tools like a knife, a random keychain thing, piece of metal, and lastly this key that didn't fit last time, but I'll see if I can jam it in there this time. So first let's go with this knife, and shout out to my cameraman, the tripod. Let's see if this works. Whoa! Ha! Just like that. First go. Now, I won't lie guys, I haven't even looked inside here, so whatever's in here, we're gonna find out together. I'm kind of nervous, but here's the lock. It opened with just one quick twist of the knife. I'm kind of sad I didn't get a chance to go through the rest of the tools. Let's have a look. Here it is. Uh-oh. All right, here we go. Oh no, it's just some random, nothing too exciting. Some toilet paper, some cleaning stuff. Okay, accessories, and that was anticlimactic, but that's it guys. Oh, so we opened that cupboard. Although there wasn't anything too exciting in there, I think the idea of potentially something extravagant or whatever mysterious inside was good enough for us to open it. And I'm gonna close it back up and pretend like I never opened it. So thank you guys for watching this video once again. If you want to help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers, so we can get that new camera and new microphone, please subscribe to the channel and press that like button and leave your comments down below. Let me know what your thoughts were about me opening this, whether I should have done it, shouldn't have done it, or just your thoughts in general. Thank you again for the 500 subs, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Oh, by the way, I'm curious of what your thoughts are, because next week I'll be in a different country. So leave your comments down below and see if you can guess which country I'm going to. And if you guess it right, I'll give you a shout out like I did before to the correct country. So whoever can pick the right place that I'm going to, I'll give you a shout out in next week's video. Anyways, see you guys next time. Bye.